Andrew, God bless and thank you for doing decent art. I tell you.
No worries.
It's the gun.
Thank you for the appreciation. Yeah, cheers. Here we go, welcome back to another video. In this video, I paint my first ever wall alongside Copie over in the North Kent area, kind of like near the seaside. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. First lot through. I'll pay for the first lot.
God bless and thank you for doing decent art. I tell you.
No worries.
It's the gun.
Thank you for the appreciation. Yeah, cheers. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please head over to West Kent Cans if you've got this far in the video on Instagram. I'll probably put a little thing in the on the screen now, so you can go and follow that on Instagram. And if you're in the Kent, East Sussex or London, South Essex area, then hit me up for paint, because I've got the best deals on Cobra HP in the UK at the moment. That's quite a bold statement. I'm pretty sure it's true. But anyway, right. If you have subscribed, then obviously stay subscribed. If you want to subscribe, then please subscribe. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this wall. And yeah, give this video a like. That's very important too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.